just go. Okay, there's people landing here.
Dacia.
Alright, I'm gonna get in it and run this guy over.
That's
So.
good, man. I'm not gonna find a gun. Where I found you, Tommy. We're good. Don't worry. If you bring him this way, I do have a gun. So.
How didn't they die? I ran them over.
Hit. This is hit with vehicle.
I'm hitting him. I hit him like 10 times. Ah!
Run, Joe, run!
I don't understand how they're not dead.
Oh, this guy's in a fucking boat too. Like.
Look, there, no, like left. Watch out, Tommy. South.
What the fuck? This guy's running really weird.
Where's he at?
In the garage. There we go. I killed him.
Watch out!
Oh my god. Okay.
See, look, see?
There.
I need his gun.
I need this gun.
Oh yeah, I hear that. All right, let's go after him, Tommy. Let's fuck him up. Get in the Dacia. Let's go.
They're going to South George me up with their team, I bet. Oh no, he's right there! Team, I bet. Oh!